So Diamond Select Toys told me to pick something off their website, so I picked out this little Kermit, right? It's ball jointed. I can put him on stuff. But Diamond Select Toys said, no, that's not just what you're gonna get. You're gonna get 3 cases of all the Muppets. All the Muppets! So I also get a fully posable Miss Piggy, a director's chair, and a bunch of accessories. Gonzo, and Fozzie. Look at his glasses. Look how small this rubber chicken is. And Scooter, and Ralph. All the accessories go together and you can make your own little scene. I love this. I always wanted to see what behind the scenes was like.